Hey everybody, I want to do another video with you guys today here. In this video, we're going over problem 1108, and we're doing this one in Rust here. Now, Rust is one of those programming languages that's really interesting, it's really cool here, where they give you high-level features, but they still give you low-level control. So there's different things that, if you compare something like JavaScript to C, JavaScript is built out with a lot more features that you can do things a lot more efficiently. Whereas if you had to cycle through a string and replace certain characters in C, it's going to be a lot more tedious than it would be in JavaScript here. So Rust is pretty cool. It combines the best of both worlds and kind of brings it together. And that's why, well, one of the reasons why a lot of people really do like Rust from here. So in this problem from here, we're given this 1.1.1 address here, and we want to output it to be in this kind of notation from here. So we have these brackets from here. So it's a pretty simple problem. Of course, there's a lot of different ways you could go about this. You could cycle through here. But one of the cool things about Rust is that we have a feature built in here that we can just kind of do this automatically pretty easily here, right? So in terms of the function itself here, we have a public function. It's called defang IP address here, or I underscore P address. It's an interesting way to phrase it, but whatever. We're taking in a argument which is of type string. This is an address here, and we're going to return a type string 2 here. So if you're not familiar with Rust here, if you're not familiar with, you might be trying to cycle through an array or do different things here. Really, it's as simple as declaring a new variable, let result, and let's move that over so it's formatted here. And this is going to be equal to address, there we go, address dot replace, and we're going to replace the dot here, which is over here, and we're going to replace that with simply square brackets and a dot from there, semicolon, and then we just have to return the result back with no semicolon from there. So like I said, you might be thinking you might have to do like a for loop or for each loop here to cycle through this, and every time there's a period, add something before and then add something after here. But it gives you this feature, this control, this function from here to just replace that easily. Let's go ahead and run this, and let's make sure that we didn't mess up at all, or that I didn't mess up at all. And it looks like we passed both our test cases here. Let's go ahead and submit this answer. And if we are good to go here, we should be good to go for this video here. Cool. So hopefully you guys learned something right here. It looks like we passed our test cases and we are good to go. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.